everyone. I'm going to explain to you why is Threads linked to Instagram. So Threads is linked to Instagram because it's built by Meta as Instagram's companion app. So instead of creating a brand new social network from scratch, Meta lets you use your Instagram account to sign in, making it easier to connect with the same people you already know or you already follow. So here are the main reasons why they're linked. So first, it's easy to sign in. So log in with your Instagram account instead of creating a separate username and password. Next is shared profile. So your Threads profile is connected to your Instagram account. So your username and profile information can carry over. Next is finding your connections. So you can quickly follow the same people you already follow on Instagram if they're on Threads. Next is unified account management. So some account settings, security features, and account information are shared between Instagram and Threads. Next is Meta ecosystem. So linking the apps helps Meta provide a more seamless experience across its platforms. So although they're connected, Threads has its own feed, posts, replies, and conversations. So you can use Threads without actively posting on Instagram, but you'll still need an Instagram account to access Threads. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching.